There may be some delays in the arrival of vaccines already procured by the government, but several selected individuals in Metro Manila are already getting their shots, courtesy of Janssen Pharmaceuticals. The details of this report from Mark Fetalco.
The Department of Science and Technology today announced the Phase 3 clinical trial of Janssen Pharmaceuticals for its COVID-19 vaccine has commenced. Its trial sites include the NCR, Region 4A, and Region 6.
Janssen has already started with the clinical trial proper, which covers patient screening, recruitment, and vaccination.
Meanwhile, preparations for the clinical trial sites of Chinese companies Clover and Sinovac are ongoing. Under Phase 3 clinical trial, thousands of volunteers will be given vaccines to test its safety and efficacy. Furthermore, the DOST said some vaccine developers have already started looking into the effects of the new variants on the efficacy of vaccines that were earlier developed.
To date, there is news from at least 4 vaccine developers that their vaccines still protect against the new variants, but to a lesser extent. What we found out recently is that vaccine development has become faster even now because of what's going on. So we expect that in the future, vaccine development will be about half of the usual time.
Yusek Guevara also said the WHO Solidarity Trial in the Philippines is being delayed by several factors, including the discovery of new variants. For now, the DOST said it received a word from the WHO saying they are down to 3 choices of vaccines to include in the said trial. But the question is, how will this affect the anticipated vaccine rollout in the country?
It should be noted that the vaccination program will prioritize health workers, then the elderly and vulnerable. The inclusion criteria for WHO SBT does not include these groups.
Meanwhile, Pfizer and BioNTech have launched a COVID-19 vaccine trial for pregnant women. 4,000 healthy pregnant women 18 and older will participate in the study, which aims to test the efficacy of the vaccine in other vulnerable populations, including them. Mark Fetalco for The Nation.